Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap and I'm an author here in the Netherlands. A quick update about the book Watchmaking Explained. Well, the concept, because it's so much more now than just a book. Via our YouTube channel, Chronoglide, we get so many questions, very practical, pragmatic questions of watchmakers about tools, about procedures, watch parts, vintage movements, stuff like that. And that really inspired us to write a book, Watchmaking Explained. But a book, and I probably told it before, with the text I'm working on now, it has to be finished end of February. And I'm going to make hit that deadline. And pictures, and then a QR code, and you can point your mobile, and then you get a video of me explaining the text again. And that is exclusive videos for the book, so no rehash of the YouTube videos. Because every watchmaker, if you're a hobbyist or professional, everybody got the same problems about the parts and the tools and stuff like that. So Watchmaking Explained, but we tried to make it next level. So we attach a forum to it, a real community. So you can ask your questions, we have moderators, and you get your answers of like-minded people. So we are investing in that now. And then text end of February. The book has to be finished 17th of May, because we're going to Warsaw, Poland. Lovely guys, really excited to meet them again for the Aurora festival, watch festival there. Yeah, lovely to go. But I need your input, of course, and leave them in the comments. I read every single one of them. The book Watchmaking Explained, maybe you know Anthony Bourdain. He was a chef and traveled the world, and he wrote an excellent book, Kitchen Confidential, about the world of being a chef. Not really about cooking, and not a cookbook, so no recipes. And it was such an inspiration for me to write about watchmaking. Everything about watchmaking you probably don't think of when you start, but all the pitfalls, all the common mistakes, insurance, stuff like that, health issues, what tools to use, all the mistakes you make just before you see the end of your bank account or the end of your marriage. Everybody's got the same problems. So it is a concept. The book, the videos, and because the QR codes in the book, every month there will be new content. So even if you haven't read the book for a month or longer, you take it out, open it, point your camera to it, and you get all new videos. And we are going to do the reader's request. So if we get a question or an interesting question of a reader, we make a video of it and explaining. So it's a real interactive and real personal book in that sense. It is a huge investment in time and effort and money, because the digital environment, where to store the videos, the QR links, the book itself, the forum, how to do the content in the forum, it is quite a bit. So we are thinking about a pre-sale for the book, just to generate a bit of money so we can invest it in an even nicer product. Please let me know in the comments if that's a good idea or not, or if you're interested or not. So we get a bit of a feel. If only 3 people say, yeah, well, nice, well, then we probably won't do it. But if a bit more people say, for well, maybe I'm interested. And of course, there'll be a nice bonus for that. Or a discount, or we put in a nice exclusive Chronoglide thing in there. We make something nice. So maybe pre-sale is a good option. The book will be available via our website, either Chronoglide or Watchmaking Explained. We still have to see what is best. And after that, it will be available on Amazon probably and bol.com, but I'm not too sure about that. So the concept of a book, it's now getting being surrounded by a watchmaking community, and I think that is quite cool. If you have any suggestions of topics we really have to be in the book, please let me know in the comments. Now until the end of February, we can still make slight changes in the text, although I think 28 chapters are finished now, but of course we can make slight adjustments. Cheers. No coffee here, but ginger ale. So that is the book, that is the deadline, and that is our vision of harnessing a watchmaking community in a book, and so that everybody can help each other, because we all face just about the same challenges. Really do hope you get excited by the book and what we're working on, because it is such a task. It's slightly underestimated it, but with the help of the whole team, we are getting there. And already, even though it's not finished yet, oh, and Frank, I have to mention, is doing a huge task of making it nice and presentable and beautiful. All the technical stuff of book making he's taking care of. So quite exciting. What's finished already, I am truly proud of. And it's a accumulation of just about 15 years of watchmaking. All the mistakes and stuff I could have done better. Stuff I never thought of when I started, but turned out really to be important later on. It's all in the book, and hopefully it's an inspiration for the next generation of watchmakers. And again, the next generation of watchmakers has got nothing to do with age. If you're 60 and you're new in the game, that's no problem whatsoever. Or if you're 18 and you think it kind of cool to learn a craft and make some money, or you're a hobbyist and or we call it a part-time watchmaker, because even if it's a hobby or not a full-time gig, the quality can be perfect. So for the hobbyists, we usually call the part-time watchmakers. Please leave in the comments if pre-sale is an option. And please leave in the comments topics you really would like to see in the book, because now we can still adjust it. All of you, thank you so much for your support during the live streams and on our YouTube channel Chronoglide. And I think as a community, we can really make a change in this book being so modern and interactive, because we're all doing it together, and that is so cool. All of you, thank you so much for your attention, and I'm back to writing. Hey, see you. Bye-bye.